We're frequently asked, how do our wastewater systems work? Well, we've basically, within the tank, we've got bacteria that naturally build up within the tank. We have a flow of waste coming into the tank, which is their food supply. And then the other thing that the bacteria need is a supply of oxygen to survive. So by using our compressor and blowing air down the blue aeration hose into an aeration diffuser at the bottom of the tank, we have very fine bubbles of oxygen which dissolve into the water for the bacteria. So the bacteria are active within the sludge and are using the oxygen to break down the waste. Then any waste left in the system basically settles at the bottom of the tank during the sedimentation phase, leaving a clear liquid on the top, which we then extract from the system twice a day.